The little skirt for you.
The skirt, oh, it's a Christmas apron. And look at me. So I've got a beautiful large deboned. I always like to choose the biggest gammon on the shelf. And I'll make sure that I've got all the beautiful leftovers as well. Make a beautiful bed into the baking dish with a little bit of liquid, either a stock, I just use water. Into there, and then just cover it with tin foil. I'm going to make a glaze, something delicious and sweet to cut into that beautiful salty pork. We're going to do a nectarine, an apricot, verjus, and a little bit of Christmas spice. We just need to make it nice and sticky, so we're going to reduce it. Look at that beautiful color. Probably about 2 cups. I always make tons of glaze because you really want it sticky, and it's everybody keeps it. It's like gravy. You want more. And some maple syrup, so it's just going to help the reduction and the stickiness. A little bit of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon to that. Couple of cinnamon sticks, one of my favorite spices, star anise, and of course it's Christmas, so they're beautiful stars. Just a few cloves. Be careful of cloves because they can be very astringent, so just a couple. Once that is kind of half reduced, then I just pop in the soft eating nectarines, and then just to soften them slightly. Ready. Oops, steamy glasses. Always happens to me. The fingers. Wow, my gosh. Look at that, baby. Now we've obviously got to carefully scrape off first layer of skin, and then you've got a beautiful layer of fat that you're going to score. You just really have to cut lines right through into the fat to score it, and just be careful you don't go into the meat as well, because that will assist in drying it up. Here's our baking tray. I'm going to use this as just a little bit of like a base. It's Christmas in a bowl. It's beautiful. And they're all really sticky and really amazing, and it just looks really effective. There we go. These are actually sticking quite nicely. It's because I've let the syrup cool a little bit. This goes back in for about 20 minutes. You need to watch it. Syrup, and it's just perfect. You see how those little fruits have like caramelized, and they've gone all puffy and caramelized and sticky and gooey. I never carve in the kitchen. I always carve in front of everybody, and actually give it to somebody to do. Let somebody do the turkey. Let somebody do that. You know, don't make it all your mission. It's about sharing and feasting. Everybody needs a turn. And yeah, hey presto, that is my perfect Christmas gammon. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on one horse open sleigh.